everyone, and welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media and marketing tips and tricks. I'm Amy Stack, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page. What I'm doing right now is I've just logged in to my Facebook business page. Just as a quick reminder, I am on the beta testing team for Facebook, so this is the new look that will be coming out. It is May 21st, 2020 right now, so you may or may not have access to this field. These buttons should all be the same. They might just be in different spots if you're on the classic Facebook look. So to get in to your settings, you want to go over, let me turn my mouse guide on here so now you guys can see my mouse a little better here. You want to come over to your page management info on the left hand side. You can see there's a whole bunch in here. I want publishing tools. There's a few different ways to come in here, but this is an easy way to find what you're looking for. So publishing tools will let you schedule posts. So if I go ahead and hit create post, because Facebook and Instagram are connected, you can see here that I have the option to share to Facebook or to Instagram, and my Instagram is not connected right now. So I have this button right here that says reconnect to Instagram. This is my Instagram handle for the Social Stack, so it wants me to log in. Oh, I just reset my password. Maybe it didn't take just yet. Give me 1 second here. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. So now you can see I'm allowed to go ahead and click that Instagram feed. So if I do want to create a post and share it on both Facebook and Instagram, you can check both of those off. You can click here to add a photo. It'll open up your files on your computer. You can also do the same thing for video. If you don't like it, there's a little trash can. You can type whatever you want in here. You can see on the right hand side, everything I'm putting in here is updating as a preview as well. And if you want to add a link or tag your location, you can do that. You can go ahead and hit publish now. So if you do want it to go live right now, you hit publish. If you want to schedule it to go later, click schedule for later, and then you can pick your date and time here and hit schedule. I'm not actually going to schedule this, I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. But that is how you hook up your Instagram account to your Facebook business page, and you can obviously check that when you hit post that it goes to your feed. I also have a video. I'll show you how to convert your a personal Instagram account into a business account. You do have to have a business account to connect it to a Facebook business page. So click the card for my quick video on how to do that. I hope you guys learned something today, and I'll see you around.